you guys, it's your girl Acosta here, and welcome to my channel, Lady Gaston Plans. Here on this channel, we do all things related to planning, productivity, and creativity. If that's something that interests you, I hope that you will stick around to the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright you guys, in today's video, I am showcasing my new releases that will be available on my Etsy shop on Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2022 at 8 a.m. The link to my Etsy shop is down in the description of this video. So if you would like to see my stickers that I will be releasing, stay tuned to this video. Alright you guys, I am back. So here are the stickers that I will be releasing, like I mentioned, in my Etsy shop on Wednesday, March the 2nd at 8 a.m. This release is kind of different than my normal releases. There will not be any planner inserts printables for the March release. They will come back in April, which will start off the second quarter of 2022. I am working on a new project regarding my planner inserts, so hopefully when I introduce them again in the second quarter, the beginning of the second quarter, you will purchase those as well. But let's get on into these stickers. I am excited because we have both doll stickers, icon stickers, day headers, as well as script word stickers. Okay, the first set of stickers are the dolls that I will be releasing. So I have two dolls, but they all have different styles as well as they have different colors. So first we have Miss Cameron. Miss Cameron comes in both teal as well as black. So she has two designs. I know the lighting is showing you like a blue color, but when you purchase it, it's actually a teal color and the black and gold top. So she looks very sophisticated. All my dolls on a sheet come in 4. We have 2 large size and 2 smaller size dolls. So that means you can use them in varieties, in different sizes for your planner. So this is Miss Cameron. Next we have Miss Alyssa, and she also comes in teal and black. Next we have Miss Daphne. Miss Daphne comes in 4 different colors. We have pink, we have green, we have black, and we have white. So these are the dolls that will be released in my shop on March 2nd at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Alright, now let's get into the scripted words as well as the icons. The first sheet, we have the months here. You get 3 rows of the months of the year from January through December. We have weekly meal plan. We have read. We have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. We have film, edit, upload, post, schedule. We have me time. We have today's goals. We have notes. We have day of the week. And we have a kit here that is called Time for Coffee, which you have the coffee cup icons and you have the scripted word of for coffee. So we have coffee, coffee break, coffee date, and coffee meeting. Alright, you guys, here are the stickers that we'll be releasing again March 2nd, Wednesday, March the 2nd at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time on my Etsy shop. All of my stickers come on the standard white matte paper. I like the feel of the paper, and I just think it's appropriate for stickers on my end that I create. There are many other shops that use different types of paper for their stickers, but for right now we're just sticking with the standard white matte paper. So these are the sheets that we'll be releasing on Wednesday. I have other scripted words as well as other dolls that are available in my shop. So if you don't see any here that you are comfortable with, there are more scripted words as well as dolls on my Etsy shop. Okay, you guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. Hopefully something was said and or done in this video that will lead you to subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button as well as that little bell notification right next to it, so you will not miss any new uploads to my channel. Again, thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.